How to download Adobe Photoshop for free on PC and Mac. To get started, head down to the description and click on the link. This will take you over to the official Adobe website. To get started, we're going to head up to the top left and click on Creativity and Design. And then under Featured Products, we're going to select Photoshop. This is going to take us over to the Adobe Photoshop page where you can check all the amazing features that you get access to inside of Photoshop once we have downloaded it on your computer. To get started with the download, we're going to head down to the bottom and we're going to click on the free trial. Now the first choice we need to make is this for an individual? Is it for a business? Or is it for a student or a teacher? We are going to go for the individual's option. You choose what works best for you. And then we can choose between the Photoshop only plan and the Creative Cloud All Apps plan. If you want to have a look at all the plans and pricing, you can click on the link down below. For now, we're going to go with the Creative Cloud All Apps plan because it gives us access to all of the apps inside the Adobe suite, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Express, Firefly, and Adobe Acrobat, among a few of the amazing things you get access to. Now we need to pick a subscription, and you need to make this decision even if you just want the 7-day free trial. So there are three choices here: annual billed monthly, annual prepaid, and monthly only. Now the monthly only, you can cancel at any time and there is no fee attached. If you go with the annual billed monthly option, then fees will apply if you cancel after the 14 days. In other words, you will have to fulfill the entire year, even though you are only paying monthly. If you go with the annual prepaid, then this won't apply to you. So think about this. If you want the discounted, you can get that, but then you are still committing to a full year. So we're going to choose the annual billed monthly and we're going to click the blue continue button. Now Adobe does offer you a 1-month free trial of Adobe stock where you get 10 standard assets for free inside of the trial. So if you want to add this in, you can select and add it in. Just check that once the free trial is up, then you are going to be charged an additional amount on top of the Creative Cloud All Apps payment option. So to check that you're getting access to the free trial, check that your due now is in fact 0, and then check the due date and when your 7-day free trial actually ends. So if you just want the free trial, you know when you need to cancel by. If you are enjoying the product and you like using it, then you know how much you will be charged and when you will be charged that subscription amount from Adobe. So check you're happy with everything here and then double check if you added that Adobe stock when that will be due. It'll be a different date to the end of your 7-day free trial because they're giving you a 1-month free trial here. So just double check everything there. Once you're happy, click on the blue continue button. Then we're going to enter the email address that you want to use for your Adobe products. Even if you don't have an Adobe account yet, you can enter a new email here and then click on the blue continue button. And then in step 3 of 3, we're going to enter your payment information. Now you can enter a credit card or you can use PayPal as your payment option. You still need to do this even if you just want the 7-day free trial and you're going to cancel before that ends. So input your payment information and then click the blue continue button. Once we have this all filled out, our Creative Cloud app will download on our computer and you can open up your Creative Cloud and then download Photoshop. Once it's downloaded, it will be installed on your PC or your Mac. And if you have any questions at this time, you're welcome to ask them in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching and we hope you enjoy Photoshop as much as we do. We'll see you in the next video.